Hey folks, another video here. We're gonna make some tacos without the tortillas, more like a lettuce wrap. I'm gonna dice up some tomatoes, cucumbers. I'll add some lime, cilantro, a slash of olive oil, salt, and pepper. And I've accelerated the video here so we don't spend too much time on it because there's nothing complicated. But as you can see, I've cut them all up and put them aside. Okay, here I'm using some romaine lettuce to make the wrap. I've laid them out on the plate, put a little bit of salt and pepper, so you got a little bit of flavor. It could be bland if you don't do that, but that's what I got on the plate. And I'm gonna lay my, put a couple teaspoons of that salad I made with the diced tomatoes and cucumbers, and then you'll see how I lay out the meat as well. You don't want to put too much of it. But like I said, if you want to use tortilla, corn tortillas, flour tortilla, that's fine too. What I'm doing here, once I seared my pork loin, I'm just going to dice it up, same thing. So it'll cook faster and it'll be much easier that way. You'll see. Here I'm going to cut up some thin slice of avocado, so you can lay them on top of your lettuce wrap. Folks, I'm going to speed up the process because it might take a while. Just lay a couple slices of avocado, gives a little flavor. That's the glaze I'm going to put on the, it's a kind of sweet glaze. I don't know if you were able to see it, but I can put it in the description on where to get it. Give it a little sweetness to the dish and extra flavors. I'm going to cut up some more cilantro here, and basically it's up to you how much cilantro you want on the lettuce wrap or tacos. had to taste it for myself here. I could probably eat the whole dish, but it's kind of alternative to the tacos. So try it and let me know how it tastes. Pretty good though. Flavors are pretty well blend, and like I said, I can eat 10 of them. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Some more videos are coming. Thanks again.